Hello class 4th, welcome to online classes in Heritage Public School. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. This is your math class. So open your math book, page number 47 and exercise 7a. Fill in. 52 divide 1 is equal to 52. 163 divide 1 is equal to 163. 38 divide 1 is equal to 38. 270 divide 1 is equal to 270. 45 divide 45 is equal to 1. 19 divide 19 is equal to 1. 0 divide 74 is equal to 0. 0 divide 60 is equal to 0. 84 divide 4 is equal to 21. We need to table of 4. 84 divide 4. 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8 and 4 3 is 12. Then 12 is larger digit. We divided 8 2 times. 4 2 is 8. 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. We write 4 and 4 1 is 4. 4 minus 4 0. 5 10 21. Okay students, 550 divide 5 is equal to 110. 5 1 is 5, 5 1 is 5 and 0. 728 divide 8. 8 9 is 72 and 8 1 is 8. 630 divide 9. 9 7 is 63 and 0. It means 70. 470 divide 15. We need to table of 15. This is table of 15. 15 1 is 15, 15 2 is 30, 15 3 is 45 and 54 is 60. Then 45 is the largest digit to 47. 15 3 is 45. We subtract 47 minus 45. 7 minus 5 2. We write next digit to make 20 and 15 ones are 15. Minus 20 minus 15 5. 5 10 31 and remainder 5. Okay. Question number 1 2 3 and 4. Question number 5th A. 99 divide 11. We need to table of 11. 11 9 is 99. 9 minus 9 0 and 9 minus 9 0. Question second. 72 minus 12. 72 divided by 12. 12 6 is 72. 2 minus 2 0 and 7 minus 7 0. Okay. A B C D and E. Question number 6A. 221 divided 11. 11 1 is 11. We can subtract 2 minus 1 1 and we write next digit to make 11. 11 1 is 11. Okay. A B. 182 divide 12. 12 1 is 12, 12 2 is 24. 24 is the largest digit to 18. So we divide one number, 12 ones are 12. 8 minus 2, 6, and we write next digit 62. 12 5s are 60. Subtract 62 minus 62. So quotient 15 and remainder 2. 6C D E. Question number 7A. 308 divide 22. 22 1 is 22, 22 2 is 44. So 44 is the largest digit of 30. We divide 22 1 is 22 and then subtract 32 minus 22. We cannot subtract 0 minus 2. So ones borrow tens to ones to make 10. 10 minus 2, 8, and we write next digit 88. 22 4s are 88. 7 1 2 3 4 and 5. Question 8A. 3432 divide 26. 26 1 is 26 and left 34 minus 26, 14 minus 6, 8, and we write next digit to make 83. 26 3s are 78 and we can subtract 38 minus 78, 13 minus 8, 5, and we write next digit. 26 2s are 52. 8A B C D and E. 9A. 23,374 divide 29. 29 8s are 232. So we can subtract 3 minus 2, 1, and we write double digit 2. We write quotient 0 to make 174. 29 6s are 174. 9A B C D and E. Question 10A. 141100 divide 17. 17 8s are 136. Then subtract 141 minus 136. 11 minus 6, 5. We write next digit 1 to make 51. 17 3s are 51 and left 200. Then we write in this number quotient. A B C D and E. Question 11. Divide and check the answer. 80 divide 15. We need to table of 15. 15 5s are 75 and you can subtract 80 minus 75, 5. So quotient 5 and remainder 5. Check the answer, verify. It is a simple formula. Divisor multiply quotient plus remainder is equal to dividend. So this is divisor and this is quotient and this is remainder is equal to dividend. 15 multiply 5 plus 5. 15 5s are 75 and plus 5. 75 plus 5 80. So 82 is dividend. The answer is correct. Okay. Question 12a. 72 divide 18. 18 4 जा 72. 4 5 10 and 72 minus 72 0. Question 13a. 325 divide 30. 13 1 is 13, 13 2 is 26, 13 3 is 39. So 39 is the largest digit of 32. So we divide 2 times. 32 2 is 26. We can subtract 32 minus 26. 12 minus 6, 6. We write 5 to make 65. 13 5 is 65. Question 14a. 2450 divide 35. 35 7 is 245. 5 minus 5 0. 4 minus 5 0. 4 minus 4 0. 2 minus 2 0. What left is it left? 0. We write 0. So quotient 70. Question number 15. Divide and check the answer. 145 divide 19. 19 7 is 133. So we can subtract 145 minus 133. 5 minus 2. 5 minus 3 2 and 4 minus 3 1. So quotient is 7 and remainder 12. Verify this answer. Divisor multiply quotient plus remainder is equal to dividend. So what is divisor? This is divisor and this is quotient and this is remainder and this is dividend. 19 multiply 7 plus 12. 19 multiply 7 is equal to 133 plus 12. 130 plus 12 145. So 145 is the divisor. The answer is correct. Okay student, complete this exercise 7a. So do your notebook and send to us. Thank you. Have a nice day.